How to fix webcam not working in Google Meet. First, open the Start menu on your Windows 10 computer and search for Settings. Open the Settings window, then click on Privacy. From the left-hand side, scroll down and select Camera. Now, make sure camera access for this device is turned on. Also, enable the option that says Allow apps to access your camera. Then, scroll a little further down and make sure Allow desktop apps to access your camera is enabled as well. Once that's done, close the Settings window and open Google Chrome. In Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left menu, click on Privacy and Security, then open Site Settings. Scroll down and click on Camera. At the top, choose your webcam from the drop-down menu. Also, make sure the option Sites can ask to use your camera is enabled as well. If Google Meet is listed under blocked sites, remove it from the blocked list. After that, go back and open the microphone settings. Select your correct microphone and make sure Sites can ask to use your microphone is turned on too. Now, open Google Meet in your browser. Click on the lock icon near the website address and make sure camera and microphone permissions are set to allow. You can also click on the Settings icon inside Google Meet, go to the Video section, and select your webcam manually from the drop-down list. After completing all these steps, restart Google Meet, and your webcam should now be working properly on Windows 10. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.